Hey, do you work with VFX for series, films, or advertising? This tool might be exactly what you're looking for to boost your productivity. The 2D to 3D Location Add-on is a productivity-focused tool designed to improve the scene reconstruction stage in 3D. Used after motion tracking, it helps rebuild 3D environments, creating single or multiple locations in 3D space, making it easier to add 3D elements, create distance references, or even fully reconstruct a scene, speeding up your production or your studio's workflow. It works with advanced triangulation, similar to Nuke's Model Builder, where you create 2D markers at different points on the timeline, using the camera's background image as reference. And from the second 2D marker you create, the add-on automatically triangulates and generates an empty in 3D space at that exact point. It's built for VFX professionals with tight deadlines, where sending a shot back to the match move team isn't feasible, or would overload production. It saves valuable time in the pipeline. This 3D tool empowers VFX and 3D professionals to create their own references independently, boosting efficiency and reducing wasted hours. Compatible with tracking data from any software, like PFTrack, Nuke, Fusion, or Synthesize, just import the camera with background image via Alembic, FBX, USD, or whatever fits your workflow into Blender, and start creating your references. You can then export them to Maya, Houdini, Cinema 4D, or any software you prefer. Since Blender is free, it integrates seamlessly into any workflow. The add-on also includes the Mesh Builder, which generates planes, edges, or even complex meshes by simply selecting the generated empties, just one click away. Download the 2D to 3D Location Add-on now on Gumroad or Superhive, and take your productivity to the next level. More updates are coming soon, so follow us to stay tuned. See you in the next video.